Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. So now you will enjoy our class. Today I am going to take another partial test, speaking partial. So please enjoy my class. May I know your full name, please?
Yes, of course. My full name is Mohammad Nazatul Islam Jian, and you may call me Jihan.
Okay. Where do you come from?
I come from Mymensingh, and now I live in Sylhet.
Do you live in a house or flat?
I live in my own house, and it was created 2 years ago.
What's your favorite room in your house?
Actually, my own room is my favorite room because it's very comfort. No one disturb me.
Do you like making friends?
Yes, of course, I like making friends because friends are very important for my life, and they always help our critical situation. That's why I like to make friends.
Making friends. When was the last time you asked for help?
Yes, 2 months ago, I faced difficult situation. So that time I asked my best friend. His name is Parvez, and he always helped me my study purpose and all things. So that time I asked him, can you give me some money? I facing some difficulties. So that time he helped me.
Do you use internet very much?
Yes, of course, I use internet because it's very helpful for my study, and also I can get many update news from online.
Is the internet very important to you?
Yes, of course, I think that internet is very important for me because internet gives us many different types of facilities. That is my study purpose, and I can know everything which I don't know, and I know my countryside news, and also I can know foreign news.
Do you like chatting with friends?
Yes, of course, I like chatting with friends because when I stay at home that time, if I need any question understand that time, I text him.
Okay. Thank you very much. Your speaking part 1 has done. Now, speaking part 2. This is cue card. And yes, your cue card is describe an impressive English lesson you had and enjoyed. Yes. You will get 1 minute for making. Okay. Now you can start.
Today I would like to describe an impressive English lesson I had, and also I enjoyed very much because it was unbelievable because it was my when I was child that time I read in class 6 that time when I first attend my English class that time my old friend meet our new English teacher. His name is Abdul Rahman, and I think that grammar is very boring for me because there are many different types of rules and difficult things I don't understand, and at that time when I attend his class that time I understand many things because he is a very funny person. I understand that time, and I that time when he started this class that time I noticed that decided the topic. This name is tense, and he making a group divided our all student, and one group name is present tense, and second group name is past tense, and third group name is future, and that time this game rule is we act and also we speak is those tense which is present tense, past tense, and future tense, and I was that time present tense, and that time I said a sentence that this sentence is I am reading a book, and that time our teacher said me you are a good student, and also my one friend he act looking like robot, and he act looking future time, and that time we all are clap for him, and we appreciate him for do better, and that time I understand that this lesson is very easy and more interesting, because if any teacher teach us good way, and they do fun with us, that time as a student can learn, and they cannot say that they do not understand any suggestion, any speech, and also when our teacher are very funny and very close with us, that time we can ask them many questions, and that time we can understand any difficult question, and that time we cannot think that when we start ask our teacher any question, that time they cannot rude behave with us, because he is our own teacher, and he cannot do rude behave with us, and we cannot fear from his from the teacher, and that time I enjoy very much this lesson.
Okay, thank you very much. Your speaking part 2 has done now. Part 3, it is discussion topic. First question: why do people learn foreign language?
Nowadays I notice that most of the people like to learn foreign language, because there are many different types of benefits from learn foreign language, because if anybody go any foreign country, that time they want to need communicate this foreigner, because they do not they don't understand their language, because if they do not learn any foreign language, but when they learn foreign language, that time they can communicate, and also they can understand their speech, what they say, and also we can they can use their job related things, which is very important from them, because when as a company deal with any foreigner people, that time those foreigner want to many good things from our company's people, because if they notice that this company is very good in any types of foreign language, that time they want to deal with them, but otherwise not. And also we can when as a student go any first world country for higher education, that time they should be learn foreign language, because it is very important for understand their classmate and their college and varsity teacher what they speak their students, and it is very important for us. That's why people want to learn foreign language.
Thank you. Next question: do you think grammar is important when learning foreign language?
Yes, of course. I think that grammar is very important when we learn foreign language, because grammar is the main things of any types of language. Because if we learn English language, that time it is very important, because when we talk anything in the present tense, that time we need to learn grammar, and also when we need to understand our opponent person we do something in the past, that time we want to use our grammar, because it is not possible when we do not learn any grammar for communicate, and also anything understand our any foreigner people, because grammar is the main thing for understand any topic.
Thank you very much. Your speaking partial test is over. Okay, now I'm giving a feedback. At first, I can say that I'm satisfied about your performance. You are an active boy, and I know you very well. So within a short time, you have completed the spoken English course. But if I judge today's performance, first I can say that at first I can say your speaking part 1, yes, very well. Even part 2 also, yes, you have done well. But if I think about discussion topics, speaking part 3, I am not satisfied. I am not satisfied. So you have to practice more and more. Some leakage, some grammatical problems, even some. I didn't find out any specific answer from last question. Okay. So yeah, I think if you practice more and if you are more conscious, of course you will get a good result in future. Okay, thanks a lot. So our class is finished. Thank you.